Hey there, everyone, and welcome back to the TQQQ Challenge channel. We're here for our monthly update, and I'm eager to delve into the latest happenings with you all. As we enter the evening of April 30th, 2024, the current price of TQQQ has dipped to $52, a notable decrease from the $60 mark just a month ago. This article of today describes that Nasdaq sinks 2% as stocks plummet to end worst month of 2024. Let's read more. U.S. stocks closed in a sea of red on Tuesday to close Wall Street's worst month of 2024, as new labor data came in hotter than expected while investors await the Federal Reserve's upcoming interest rate decision. The yield on the 10-year Treasury jumped about 7 basis points to trade near 4.69%. Wages and salaries increased by 1.1% over that same 3-month period, while benefit costs also increased by 1.1%. The data adds to ongoing concerns that persistently high wages are keeping inflation levels elevated. Investors are bracing for policymakers to hold interest rates at historically elevated levels at the Fed's two-day meeting, which began Tuesday. Since Nasdaq and TQQQ are negatively affected by high interest rates, TQQQ did not do well in April. However, when we see lower interest rates in the future, TQQQ will perform better. For fun, I asked Copilot AI to summarize TQQQ stock prices in April 2024. Copilot AI responded that, in April 2024, TQQQ stock exhibited some notable fluctuations. Short-term outlook is that the next 30 days show a generally positive trend, with an average analyst price target of $70.19. Long-term forecast is that, by 2030, TQQQ could reach $127.91, and projections extend to $624.28 by 2040 and $846 by 2050. When I click this reference, this site StockScan show price forecast for 2024, such as $71 for May, $70 for June, and $93 for December. Again, nobody can predict the future stock price, and I just show this site for fun. Now, let's delve into our investment performance for April. Staying true to my commitment, I allocated $1,000 for the month. With TQQQ trading at around $52, my portfolio has expanded to over $4,700. However, the downturn in April has erased the gains accumulated over the past 5 months, resulting in a current total return of -6% and an approximate loss of $300. Despite this setback, my average cost remains at around $55. Reviewing my transaction history, you'll find that on April 4th, I purchased 10 shares at $55 and 9 shares at $56. Additionally, my consistent monthly investments since December 2023 have totaled $1,000 each, with the overarching goal of investing $360,000 over 30 years. As we progress through the TQQQ challenge, it's crucial to remember the guiding principles of our investment strategy. Monthly investment, committing to purchasing $1,000 of TQQQ every month for a duration of 30 years. No sales. Resisting the urge to sell any shares of TQQQ throughout the entire 30-year period. No margin. Strictly avoiding borrowing money or engaging in margin trading. I firmly believe that TQQQ holds promise as a long-term investment vehicle, provided we adhere to this strategy. With that in mind, we'll continue to stay the course over the next 30 years. That's all for today's update. I look forward to reconnecting with you all next month for another round of insights and updates. Until then, happy investing.